Okay, so I'm going to do this in English because I'm also going to send this video to a few more people. This is not a course, this is nothing, this is just me working, showing you how I'm building and structuring a video for maximum performance. So to clarify for this video is that this video will actually be posted on YouTube and will be a scheduled post. I don't like scheduled posts, you always need to post normal, but this time I'm running a promotion from a bigger channel with 700,000 subscribers. So he wants it to be at 9:30 Japanese time. So that's the reason why I'm scheduling this post at his time, to have peak of performance for his audience to come to my video. And just after his peak, and why I'm having the promotion just after his peak, is because everyone has watched one of his videos, and then they will get the community posts. So it will be more optimal for me and getting more viewers to my video. And if that's in the long run, my real time will keep high and hopefully can generate me some profit. So to show everyone what I do in the beginning is I always want colorful videos and videos with a lot of noise. For sure for the slime niche you won't hear this because I have my audio muted because I'm also listening to some classic music. So yeah, you want colorful videos that look really good. Here you have a video with a little bit of silence, so then you trigger people to watch the video again. And then after that I immediately have some other noise, and then another noise and everything. So if you're wondering why I have all these purple things on top, so if you upload compilations or let's say pictures from Disney from let's say 2008, 2018, how their livelihood had changed, as a lot of channels do, I always have trigger questions that come into place. So I always have one early in the beginning. Let me do that at 30 seconds. It's because you first want to grab the audience, their attention, so I got my intro. So this already stretches my time that I've watched for 6 seconds. And if you think 6 seconds doesn't matter in the beginning, it matters a fuck ton. Just to be straightforward. So then we got a like question, then we want people to subscribe. Because on slime videos, the overall retention from at least viewers outside of the UK is really low. They watch for maybe 2-3 minutes. My watch time first was like 6.5 minutes long. Right now it's only down to like 3:30 for videos, and sometimes even lower. So I want optimal content in the beginning to make sure that my watch time is as high as possible. So normally if people drop off before 3 minutes, you want to have 2 trigger questions. This is only for compilation channels, so keep that in mind. So if you are, because I'm sending this to a friend of mine as well, a Dragon Ball channel, you want to speak up a question. As an example, you want to ask your audience, who do you think would have won in a Tournament of Power if it was Brody against Jiren? If you have a question like that and a trigger engagement, that would be insane, because your whole comment section will be purely based about that one discussion point you have brought up. So if you normally get 20 comments and now you suddenly get 100 comments, your video will show recommended to more Dragon Ball people. So yeah, keep that in mind. So here, as you can see, I have all the trigger question, what's your favorite drink? And then I want to schedule this every so often, and you can see I have another question. So my questions about 90 seconds away from each other, and sometimes I indeed have the like stuff coming up again to make sure that I'm getting optimal engagement. So here I'm just keep asking questions while trying to give people the best amount of content they can get and the highest quality as well. So here you have a 300 like, that's not okay, and we don't need that right now as well. So here we got another question, if correct, are you cat or dog lover? So this is pretty short, so I'm going to move this way a little bit back. So if you think that making compilation videos, making them perfect is an easy thing, it isn't. It takes a lot of time to make sure you have everything good. Would you prefer to have true love or $1 million? What would you choose? Can we get 2,500 likes? And here you got every trigger of a little bit of engagement. So yeah, that's really important that you have everything of that optimal. So if I go into my folders, you can see, let me pick it up, that how I'm gonna do this. Okay, so pretty much this is my folder, and here you can see all the questions that I've made. So I have a lot of questions just purely triggering for engagement. I got it for cake videos, for car crushing videos, for the slime videos. I got it for every channel that I use. Because it will give me optimal engagement. So also for my Game Cinema channel, you will see that I got 19 questions related to Minecraft. And that's like, how do you make a nether block? How do you get to the nether portal? What is the final boss you need to beat? Like those questions. It's stupid questions because you know the answers, but people respond to them, giving you more engagement. So that's fucking optimal. That's the best you can get. So that's really important. So I already picked some questions, and yeah, I just wanted to show you that for the beginning. So let me insert a few so you can see exactly what I'm doing. So here I would go down, I'll go back a little bit, 7:30, so then I want to be about 19. And then would you rather have to sit all day or stand all day? I would rather have to sit all day because that's the one I'm used to, because I'm a lazy fuck. Okay? Right now I can just tell these things because, yeah, why not? So yeah, then about 20:45, I'm using a new one. What's the first thing you do when you wake up? I rag and stretch, and I pretty much go downstairs, grab two bottles, grab 2 little glasses of water. Oh, well, little. Pretty much I drink half a liter of water the first thing when I wake up in the morning, because I like to have everything flowing in my body. Then I try doing some regging and stretching in how far I can do it, pretty much, because in the morning my body isn't really optimal for regging and stretching because my body isn't yet like all spread up. So yeah, that's why. What's your favorite toy? A dildo? No, just kidding. My favorite toy. What would my favorite toy be? Why the fuck would I have that question? That's weird. Now, what would my favorite toy be? I think probably my PlayStation. I prefer playing Mario Kart Wii, however, but I don't have a Wii. Big life struggles. So yeah, right now I have these questions, so then I'm going back to the beginning. I'm picking the like button, and I'm pressing that in here 2 times. Then I know the second one is my subscribe one, so here you can see I have an empty void that I'm now going to fill up again. So right now I got for 30 minutes of questions, so normally you do this all the way, but the thing is nobody watches all the way, so you're just going to re-trigger them. So you're going to use this and put it right here, because that's the first 30 minutes, and you're just going to copy paste it. And then you're going to press away. So then I want to delete the upper layer, because I don't need it. It saves me rendering time, because it can skip it. So this is how a perfect rendered video looks like. This is what you want to have if you have a compilation channel, or just any channel where you do not speak. So here you get the renders. Always render the highest possible quality. You don't need to render 4K, but I mean, just this is the bare minimum you need to do. So then you put up your title. So in this case would be 1 hour oddly satisfying videos, relaxing slime ASMR, no talking, and then part 2. Not because this is a part 2. Okay, so pretty much I have that. It's 6 GB for 1080p. That's perfectly fine. We got that all good, and then we're gonna just I first wanted to save it, then I do 1 hour render, and then I'm going to render it, and I'm going to do the title again. So 1 hour oddly satisfying videos, relaxing ASMR, no talking, part 2. So that would be the video, and that's pretty much how you do it. So it's quite easy. This is how you make an optimal video. Well, quite easy. So in total, without the beginning part and searching for the perfect clips for the beginning, having everything set in the correct order, and why you're asking why I have all the high noises in the end, it's because I used a different creator, and this creator doesn't have as beautiful content as the Kingdom of Slime does. Kingdom of Slime has really colorful content. Slime is still targeted to children, so I'm targeting children to watch the longest, because that will give me the most amount of watch time. So that's really important. And then later on I got some more noise. So the goal with the 1 hour part is that some of the people will actually watch the 1 hour. So people really watch a long time to these videos. So if I look into my analytics, sometimes I see people watching, like I got 3 or 5% watching till 40 minutes, having pretty much had 15 ads, meaning I probably made about $1 on one view on some of the people. It's not for everyone, and yeah. So why I'm using a 1 hour video is because I'm paying for the promotion, like I said in the beginning. And I want that to be clear for everyone, is that paying for a promotion, you want to have everything optimized. You don't want to have one single mistake, because if you buy a promotion, you want to use it as best as you can, because you're getting exposure and you want to get the most amount of views, you want to get the most amount of subscribers, you want to get the most amount of engagement. And like I said, if you're good at sending traffic, what is, if I may say, definitely one of my biggest points and biggest things that I can do for people, is it that pretty much. So what I do is I upload a video, I make sure I have 5 cards at all trigger points. So once the trigger points come up, another trigger point in the info card will immediately after that pop up again, meaning they can go to another video or watch my playlist. And if they watch my playlist, they're going to watch 4, 5, 6 videos of a 10-minute long compilation. That's also why I have a description, and that's also why I link sometimes my playlist, meaning that one view will count into 5. And I also will do in the comment section is like, what is your favorite horror story? Or horror story, sorry if I pronounce that wrong. And pretty much what people do is they will try and engage with you. So you always need to engage back with them. You do not want to ignore your comment section. It's so important to get to the loyal fans, because once your engagement shoots up, your revenue is going to get better, you're going to get sponsorships, you're going to get everything you wish for. Pretty much. So I just really wanted to have that clear to people. It's really important. And if you're watching this, thank you for watching. It's the first time I'm making a video in a long time. It's not a video that's going public. It's not a video that I'm being 100% serious in, because I'm only sending this to people that I actually know and that people that actually this content will be useful to. So yeah, I just wanted to show you this, and if you can understand English, because I'm also sending this to people who are not that good in English, then thank you, and I hope on pretty much seeing you in a new video pretty soon. So let me know. And also please reply to me on whatever you got me on, in Instagram, Skype, WhatsApp, just message me there. Don't go into this comment section, because I do not give a shit about it, and I'm not ever checking on this channel. So yeah, let me be that clear. For now, when I'm not uploading, I'm not checking on the comments. And that will be for not a long time, that will be for the time till I got everything finished that I want to finish, so I can build up my social media company and have everything set in place, so I do not have to worry about anything, and teach my employees as well to make perfect videos, because this is how a perfect video looks like for this channel, and you want to make sure it is this way, and it's really important that it is, because that's key to the growth of the channel. So in the next video, I will be talking about and showing you exactly how you need to do community posts and how you need to engage with your audience, and why I said that triggering the audience like I'm doing is key. And I will also show you examples of people actually answering every single fucking question that I ask them. So yeah, enjoy the video, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one.